Whoa! Welcome to the calm before the storm, as things are about to go absolutely crazy for the Bitcoin price. And for the past few days, we have been getting a very significant move to the upside. Right now, the Bitcoin price is breaking back above a very key trend line. And some people are saying, look, this is clearly the bottom. Here we go, back to the moon. Well, today we're going to be diving into the charts, talking about exactly what we need to be paying attention to as we move into a new week. Because rest assured, we're going to see many traders get wrecked, but there is so much opportunity here. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell for notifications, because we are bringing you the most timely and the juiciest Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. After a week of bearishness, the Bitcoin price has formed a very bullish wick right at the 200-week moving average. Now, this 200-week moving average is so important for Bitcoin, because if we go back and look at all of Bitcoin's history, we can see that this thing has always been a very key level of support up until the time that we lost the level. Then it has acted as a very key area of resistance. So a lot of people are looking at this as a confirmed breakout and retest. And if we do take a look at the 7-day time frame, it does very much so look like a breakout above this massive zone of resistance, and then a retest, getting a very beautiful bounce. But is the bottom in? We're going to be exploring that today. So first of all, we need to take a look at this. Now, in my opinion, to determine whether or not the price is bottomed out, we want to look for two things. We want to look for a hidden divergence and a regular divergence to confirm that a bottom has been put in. So what is a hidden divergence? A hidden divergence is when the price is in a confirmed uptrend and we are making a macro higher low, but the momentum waves on market Cipher B are making a lower low. This is a continuation pattern, and it is showing us that we are about to get another higher high in the middle of a macro uptrend. Now, on the daily time frame, we have seen these hidden divergences really playing out since December to give us big moves to the upside. Now, we don't see that happening right now on the daily time frame. However, when we go to the 3-day time frame, we absolutely are seeing a hidden divergence from the low we put in March to our current low. If we go ahead and look at market Cipher B, we are printing a lower momentum wave. So we do have a hidden divergence on these higher term time frames. So next we need to ask ourselves, do we have any regular bullish divergences? And just for reference, a regular bullish divergence is this. As the price is making a lower low, we want to see market Cipher B making a higher low, strangely resembling the mammary glands of our good friend Sam Bankman-Fried, where we can clearly see as the price is getting lower, the mammary glands, the breasts, are getting higher. And yes, you have some strange piercings going on here with some green little things, but hey, when you're a scammer in the Bahamas, you know, you do what you got to do. Well, one can make the case that from this low we put in on April 17th to the bounce from the 200-week moving average, we have seen the momentum waves getting higher over time, right? It's very slight, but we can clearly see if we connect the bottoms of this, that this trend line is in fact getting higher. And when we take a look at the money flow, we can see money flow is also getting higher over time, just like our good friend SBF's purple money flow right here. So in my opinion, there's a very real possibility that the low has been put in, front running what a lot of people were thinking. And there are two very key levels that we need to be aware of right now to determine how we're going to trade this. The first one is this right here. The very key area of weekly support that has been lost to the downside is now going to be acting as our resistance, $27,500. If we can confirm a daily candle above this level, I believe it becomes more probable than not that the bottom is absolutely in, and we can look to long any retest. Something else that is very important that we need to be aware of is the fact that to our downside, we have a CME Futures Gap. What does that mean? This is the CME Futures trading Bitcoin futures in the traditional markets. These markets close on Friday, and of course, the Bitcoin market never closes. So on Friday, the futures market closed down here at $26,500, and over the weekend, we got a big pump to the upside, leaving a very large gap to be filled here on the Bitcoin chart. Now, more often than not, we do see these gaps fill, and we also understand over the weekend, a lot of traders have entered into long positions, and there's a lot of liquidity to be grabbed to the downside. In addition, when we take our Fibonacci retracement tool from the low we put in on Friday to the high we put in this morning, we can see that that CME gap lines up perfectly with the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement zone. So first of all, we need to be aware that this is not necessarily a sign of massive strength unless we come above $27,600. And if we get a big dump to the downside, the most important area that we need to be aware of, in my opinion, is going to be the area between the 618 and the 786 area. This is going to be the 26.2 to 26.5 zone. If we come down to this zone and we get a bounce from here, that is actually now confirming bullish market structure locally, right? We come down, we make a high that is higher than the previous lower high, and then we can come down and look for a higher low to potentially get into a long. And if we come down to that area, I want everybody to really be paying attention to the lower time frames on market Cipher B, because if we come down here and we start to see some bullish signs on market Cipher B, what do I mean by that? I mean bullish divergences, right? We are seeing the momentum waves get higher as the price dumps down really quick into this zone. That could be the sign that the low has been put in and we can look for higher prices. However, if we are not seeing that, then we need to be aware that we are still potentially going to see lower prices, because if we do not come above this level and get the rejection, and if we do not see bullish divergences right here, in my opinion, we are probably going to see that $25,000 level, where I will also be looking for a potential new long trade. By the way, if you want to take advantage of these markets and trade the volatility and make gains while Bitcoin is ranging, check out the link in the description, pinned comment for MEXC. This is my new favorite exchange. If you use my link, not only can you get up to $9,000 deposit bonus, but you get 0% limit order fees, 33% off market order fees. Literally the best deal you will get on fees. This great exchange. Great liquidity now that I can no longer trade on ByBit. This is the exchange I go to only if you know how to trade. Should you sign up on this exchange right now, guys, in my opinion, best exchange, MEXC, as well as Bitget are my two go-to exchanges right now. Also, if you want to join the Casper crew community, where every single day we do 3 live streams walking you through the live price action, looking for trade setups, giving our trade setups like this epic short trade that I am currently still holding. Great community to learn. You can go to jasoncaspertrading.com. Go ahead and click this link to join the group. Also, guys, if you want to learn how to trade this way, we do have a 25% discount on both of our trading courses right now. A great value. Make sure to check it out if you are interested. That's it for today's video, guys. I do pray everybody watching is very, very blessed. In the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are very blessed. And I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace.